Hi guys, welcome back to the news, my country people. The way we dey see this court matter, e be like say the All Progressive Congress they have an upper hand in this case because we just dey see some kind mago for this matter. Now the APC they don't talk say they no go put body for inside the Atiku'S petition. They said they would not put up any defense in Atiku'S petition. They said it would be a waste of time. So there is no need flogging a dead horse. So as e be like this, so they just comot body for Atiku petition. Now the All Progressive Congress on Wednesday had told the Presidential Election Court that it won't participate in the whipping of dead horse as it declined to open defense in the petition of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar, challenging the conduct and the declaration of the February 25th presidential election. The APC, through its lead counsel, Prince Lateef Olasakemi Fagbemi San, said that there was absolutely nothing to defend in the separate petitions of the Labour Party and the PDP. So the senior lawyer came to the conclusion as not to open defense in Atiku's petition after the cross-examination of the Senate Majority Leader Michael Opeyemi Bamidele, who is the star witness to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, Fagbemi had subjected Senator Bamidele to rigorous questioning, during which the witness, who is a legal practitioner, admitted that Tinubu's election cannot be reversed on the strength of his forfeiture of the $460,000 to the United States of America through a court order. And now the witness, while responding to Fagbemi's question, held that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot be arraigned, indicated nor sentenced for any criminal charges by any American court, adding that the civil forfeiture cannot take the place of a criminal trial and conviction. So as far as criminal indictment is concerned, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu has a clean bill of health because he was never indicated and convicted by any American court, Senator Bamidele said. Now, answering another question, the Senate Majority Leader claimed to have known President Tinubu for more than 35 years as a bona fide Nigerian citizen by birth. However, after reviewing the evidence of the witness and deciding it was time for the APC to open defense, Fagbemi said that, having taken a sober reflection of the entire case, we have enough evidence, so we are not calling any witness. We do not intend to whip dead horse, so we will announce the closure of the case of the third respondent. Earlier, the Senate Majority Leader had told the Presidential Election Petition Court that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not need to score 25% of votes cast in the FCT to be declared the winner of the February 25th election. So those petitions that has been laid by Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, it doesn't matter because as it stands, President Tinubu does not need to score at least 25% of the votes cast in FCT for him to be declared the winner. So the witness, who was cross-examined by Mr. Jide San, counsel to Atiku and the PDP, said although Abuja is the federal capital of Nigeria but has no special status other than that. When asked if the committee's report on the location, if the FCT recommended a special status for the FCT, the witness admitted that, well, the FCT is just a symbol of unity, maintained that other state capitals such as Kano and Ibadan, Enugu and others, also centers of unity. Then he agreed with the petitioner's counsel that at least Tinubu scored 19.4% in the total vote cast in the FCT. So when told that Tinubu emerged as the first president to be declared without scoring a 25% vote in the FCT, and not even winning his home state. The witness said, well, it doesn't matter. Bamidele talk say that one no matter as e dey be like this. So Tinubu don, in fact, Tinubu is the one with the highest number of votes. That's what matters. The rest does not matter. According to the witness, the judgment of the U.S. court on the forfeiture of the $460,000 has Tinubu's name, but not as a criminal suspect, but as a civil proceedings, insisting that it was a civil forfeiture and not a criminal forfeiture. Hey, my country people, what is going on in this court? Really? Someone that was convicted of, drug trafficking, and he had to make a forfeiture, so as such, he wouldn't be persecuted or be tried to court. That's why Tinubu had to make this forfeiture. Now they said this forfeiture that Tinubu made was not a criminal forfeiture, but a civil forfeiture. Now, what is civil about the fact that Tinubu was involved in drug trafficking and he was caught, and then he had to make this forfeiture just to clear his name? But there in court, they are saying it was a civil forfeiture, not a criminal forfeiture. Well, my country people, shey una dey see as the matter dey go. Now, under cross-examination by the counsel to the APC, Prince Lateef Fagbami's son, the witness agreed that there cannot be a conviction without a trial, without a charge, without a indictment. Now, the witness said the judgment of the Federal High Court in Abuja, a suit filed by the Labour Party against INEC on the mode of the collation of the election result, held that INEC is at liability to use any mode of collation it deems fit. Hey, my wonderful people, this is serious. So, guys, this court matter, e get as e dey be. Shey una dey see wetin dey happen? Now, they don talk say, well, the Labour Party, they filed a petition against INEC that the mode of the collation of results that, they said they will do, they did not go ahead with it, where they said they will upload results electronically. Now, they are saying that the INEC has every right to use any mode of collation if it deems fit. So, after the testimony of President Tinubu's sole witness, Wale Olanipekun San had announced the closure of Tinubu's defense, while Lateef Fagbemi announced for the APC. Meanwhile, the court has given the respondents at least 10 days to file their final written address, and the petitioner 7 days to respond, and also 5 days to rely on the point of law. The presiding judge of the Presidential Election Petition Court, Justice Haruna Tasumini, said that the parties would be communicated on the date for the adoption of the final written address. So, guys, what are your thoughts concerning this? Nigerians were relying on the court to do the right thing, but it seems that the witness, they said Tinubu's forfeiture was civil. How can it be civil? Civil or criminal? We know it was a criminal offense. For someone to be charged with drug trafficking, it is a criminal offense and not a civil offense. But there in court, they are saying it is a criminal, it was a civil offense. So, my country people, I'm dropping here. E get as this matter dey be. Abeg, make una come chook mouth for this matter. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.